Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost your network strength and fix weak signal on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the airplane mode to refresh the network connection. We're going to quick settings from the right side. We're going to swipe once again, and here we have the airplane mode, which is the flight mode for me. We're going to click it once and automatically or manually disable it. Now everything's just reset, and the next step is to move to an area with a better coverage. If it's not possible for you, then I would just recommend trying to restart it again with the flight mode, but if that doesn't help, then moving to a better area is definitely a good idea. Now next, what you guys want to do is toggle the Wi-Fi calling. So it is also here. It is automatically here whenever you connect your SIM card. So you can click here, and when it's blue and white, then it means that it's enabled. What are we going to do next is we're going into the settings, and once we are in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see the system management. We're going to click on reset network settings, and click on reset once and twice. Now we see the confirmation that the settings have been reset successfully, and what are we going to do now is switch from 4G to 5G, or from 5G to 4G, because there may be a coverage issue, and a lot of people actually happen to have that, because even I do have this situation in my home. Whenever I am on 5G, the internet's just slower than 4G. So I always change it back to 4G instead of 5G because it's just better. So we're going to do that in the mobile network. We're going to select our SIM, and now what are we going to do is we're going to go over to the SIM settings, network mode, and here we have 5G, LTE, or 2G only. As you guys can see, it does not even work with 2G. So for me, it might not work because I do have 4G and 5G. So we see the LTE, which is preferred, and this is 4G. So we have the LTE right here. Everything's working properly. And as a last resort, if that did not help, I would recommend contacting your carrier to check for any outages in your area. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.